Pepe just smashed through another all-time high in the last 24 hours. This is the third time over the week since it's done this. Come on, Pepe. Can't you just correct a little bit and give some other folk a chance to get in at a lower price level? Well, what we can see here looking at Pepe, super bullish, continuation. On the market cap side of things, very, very bullish as well. So it's climbed up to 11.6 billion, which is just insane to see. It's off the charts and looking very, very bullish. So we can see on this broadening channel that we had here, we did actually end up coming down a little bit yesterday, down to the 2-4 region. A little shakeout moment there, but we then saw a 15% move to the upside just literally overnight. So it did come back down, create that little seed of doubt, and then boom, came straight up. It came straight freaking up. That is insane. So yeah, guys, let's talk about Pepe and what's going on. Of course, if you're new here, subscribe should you wish to hit your crypto goals. Also, guys, massive wins for the patrons. 888 gave them a whopping 20 to 30x, as we can see. You can see Rogue here gave the holders a 2.5x. That was just a few days ago. And we also had Slap, which delivered a 10x plus here. For anyone that got in, this is of course for the patron. So if you are someone that wants to make more money and maximize this crypto market, you can check out the Patreon. It's linked down below. This will give you VIP access to the Discord with all trading signals, early alphas, education, indicators, and all that juicy stuff. So space is a bit limited, but if you do love your meme coins, your crypto, this is a place where you can thrive and hopefully survive for the future bull markets and bear markets. Thank you very, very much, by the way, as well, to all the people that are subscribing. Did you know as well you can grab Pepe coin on Bitchinix? Well, you can now. If you didn't, you can now. So yeah, really cool as well. Bitchinix, no KYC, globally accessible as well. So here we can see Pepe was flying. It did hit an overbought region on the relative strength index yesterday. Hit 76 on the RSI, which isn't too bad. We can see it is also just a bit overbought now on that daily relative strength index. We did creep back down through the 14 SMA and we are back through now. But looking on the daily time frame, a ton of buying pressure down at these low 243 levels that we can see. So really, really good. We've still flipped this level of 272 into core support, and hopefully we can get some continuation to the upside. You can see quite a lot of selling pressure from the actual all-time high at 283, but like I say, guys, we are getting very close to that 0.00003 region. I do think Pepe has the ability to get to 3 or even maybe 4 at least some point this particular bull run cycle. So it's been very fun. It's been very volatile. You could say really from the 27th of November is where things really started to kick off around here. But yeah, it's just crazy. If we look at the monthly time frame here, Pepe just looks ridiculous. The monthly candle is crazy. It's kind of similar to, you know, February and March of 2024. We had these crazy 2 green candles in the last meme coin and alt season, and then we're seeing these 2 big monthly candles here. So we could still have this monthly close in 22 days, still of course remain green, and maybe be just as big as what we saw of March 2024. Of course, it's all speculation, but things are looking good. Even on the weekly time frame, we have 3 consecutive green candles here on the weekly time frame, which again, super, super bullish. If we can get a 4th weekly green candle here for Pepe, in my opinion, we should see Pepe at like 15 to 16 to 17 billion dollars market capital by 2025 or something like that, depending on the trajectory of these markets, of course. Because personally, I do believe we will see Pepe coin actually flip Shiba Inu. When we look at cryptocurrencies, when we look at our memes, the actual gap between Shiba and Pepe it's closing. So we just need to chase another 6.2 billion here for Pepe, and we will flip the crap out of Shiba Inu. If you want that to happen, like this video, and we'll make it happen just through, you know, faith and destiny alone. So let's spread that word, the law of attraction, that we want to see Pepe flip Shiba. It would be just a beautiful sight if that happened. So can Pepe coin double in price, with whales hoarding $1.4 billion worth of Pepe? Crypto whales have significantly increased their Pepe token holdings, contributing an additional 1.14 billion in value. Wow, that's a lot of money. The latest data shows wallets holding over 10 million in Pepe surged by 147% over the past month. This growth indicates heightened whale interest in the token. So a lot of whales are, you know, buying this particular coin right now. Investors with $1 to $10 holdings dropped by 29%, while 100K to 1K wallets rose by 21%. So people are getting serious about, pardon me, that's the Red Bull. people are getting serious about their PEPE coins and their meme coins. You can see here the percentage of holders over the last 30 days. So there was a big increase of those wallets holding between $100 and 1K, and a massive increase of wallets holding between 10K and 100K. But of course, you can see a reduction of the lower quantities, which is absolutely insane to see. Just overall whale acquisition is happening for this particular coin. You can see PEPE unbothered by everything, even though he just set an all-time high, looking super good. So these markets are greedy. They are pretty euphoric, as we can see right here. So please do not FOMO, and remember, this is not financial advice. And we did delve very deep into alt season. We hit 88 on the alt season index. I think also we tapped into a very overbought territory of 94 on the fear and greed index, and this is the highest that we've seen this in the last year. You know, this particular level of greed is one of the highest levels we've seen for a long time. This is very similar to December 2020 in terms of the feeling, even though it's less euphoric. The time frame and the sort of historical data, the pattern that we're seeing here is quite similar to, I would say, December 2020. Even though we actually had extreme fear just in August, we had that in March last time round. So that was because of COVID, remember? So that created a massive crash. We can actually see August and June and summer last time round was a little bit more bullish, actually. So yeah, alt season is here, guys, but it doesn't mean it'll be here forever. So it could still flip back down into a Bitcoin season. It could come down a bit and then fly back up. No one knows the true honest answer here, or the future of what will happen in these markets. But of course, alts and memes are in a very healthy place and an exciting space right now. We are just dropping underneath that 75, but we are indeed still in an altcoin season. Now, yeah, guys, like I say, if you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment. You can become a patron if you want to do that. The link to Patreonage is down below, and if you don't like it, we will happily give you a refund anyway. You can get trading crypto on leverage and amplify your crypto gains by using Bitfinex. Also, the link is down below, and you might be eligible to some sign-up bonuses as well. So overall, I think PEPE coin is still everyone's favorite frog, and we could see some positive continuation for this token over the next few days. Let's keep an eye on it. We know it's very bullish, very euphoric. The higher something goes, the more chances we have of it correcting and actually coming back down eventually. So it's hard to say what will happen, but at the moment, I mean, the trend is your friend, and it looks very, very strong, and going short in these markets can be very risky because you can get a 10% move to the downside, and then you can freaking have a nap and then wake up, it's gone down 10% and then went up 50% again. So this is the sort of market we're playing against. And if you're very risky, or you're very, very attentive to detail, and you're constantly on these charts, would not really recommend shorting these markets right now. But I think overall we are in a very good space. I hope you enjoyed these markets as well, guys, and have a lovely rest of your day. See you soon. Peace.